So I'm going to show you how to enable or disable live translate on your Pixel 10. So you can go into settings, and then under settings, go to system, tap on that, and then under system, you will see live translate. So this is where you can turn it off or turn it on. Now with live translate turned on, it basically means your phone is going to detect other languages and show your translations for those languages. And of course, that's going to be dependent on what your default language is. For me, it's going to be English. So any foreign language, like in messages or in websites, on browsers, is going to get translated to English by default. All right. Now, if you want other languages to be translated, so for instance, you can see currently I'm going to have mine translated from French. I can add a language whose translations I want by default. So for instance, I can add Croatian. So for instance, if I'm chatting with someone who speaks Croatian, or I have a Croatian application which I'm using, then I can set that up and that's going to be translated to English. All right. Thanks for watching and good luck.